pupunta kami sa Canso Plane Crash. Kasama ko si Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, ano na? Park kami dito. Tapos, parking. Dito na ang umpisa. Sit, sit. Okay. Kami lang ni Kuya Kim right now. Yan. We made it to the old building. But I don't want to go out inside.
So what's up?
No, I'm scared. Creepy. I'm just gonna go around. Nick, kabuksan ako. Wow. You see, guys? It's gonna go on. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Yan yung pieces na niya.
Yeah. Pieces ng airplane. And then we're going downhill. This way. Yeah. There's a marking like that. This one. Look. So cool. But we're wearing Blundstone. Nice. Maraming pumupunta pa rin. Kasi, oh, yeah. What? Dito sa supply. Siyempre, 40. Saan yun? Yeah. I can hear it. English. Yeah. Wow. Kuya Kim is very, very.
Please follow your dog.
Ayan.
Okay, we're gonna pass. Oh, sir.
It's better here. Yeah. Here. Okay. Same thing. Okay, let's go this way. Kaduda mo yan. Okay. Oh, madulas my love. Ito yung panunod ko na. It's not that bad. Yeah. Oh. Naku, mahaba-habang akyatan to pala mamaya, my love. Where? Where's the chocolate?
May chocolate ka ba?
Oh, yeah. There's a lot. Look, guys. Yeah, yun yung madi na sinasabi niya. Takot na sila. Walang-wala yan sa Pilipinas. Yung mga ano, lulubog ka pa sa putik. Dali, lalagto ako. Yun. Can you do it? Kuya Kim? Kuya Kim is struggling. Aray ko. Oh. Reasonable pa rin yung shoes natin.
Ito yung pinakamahali na.
Then, let's go that way.
Okay.
Okay, I go first.
Hawak ka din.
You can hold on to me, Char. In here, you can go around the putik, and you decide if you're gonna go that way or this way. Of course, we're going this way. Wow, challenging but fun. Okay, going this way, that way. One, two, three. Galing. Si Kuya Kim. Kim Manho. Oh, so we're gonna go around. Okay. Nate. Hello.
Ay, may ito na lang.
Ha?
Ito mo yung tali.
Yan, sign. Sign na buhay pa kami. Okay.
Nalipat. Basta Kuya Kim.
Tignan natin kung makakalundag si Kuya Kim. Punta ka na lang sa silong niya. Wow! That's the highlights of the hiking. Ooh! Sumabit. Yung ulo. Oh my gosh. Do you regret wearing your Blundstone now? No. Okay. And then, here is the...
Oh, yung talaga nga ito.
kasi ito yung daanan ng ano eh. Ito yung nandyan sa picture.
Baka nalagay natin yung sundalo mo.
1945.
Oo.
Wow. Fascinating.
Sinibigay niya sa akin.
Okay. O yung ulo mo, kaya Kim, huwag mong, may cranberry pa sila. The mosquito is kagating me. I sprayed mosquito off. Yeah. Meron ano naman. Wow! Since the beginning. Na, malapit na kami. Are we close? Do you have my phone, my lamp? Dito, hindi nila, ang Parks Canada, hindi nila nire-recommend na pumunta dito. Kasi, yung trail niya is not friendly. Friendly use, not friendly use. Kaya, hindi nila nire-recommend. Kasi baka mawala pa yung iba. Kami, mas ready pa kami sa ready.
Wow.
Yung bahay namin, dala namin. Pero I can feel it, we're close. Yeah. Yeah. Hindi ko na lang ikakat ito para ano. Yan. May mga ano. May mga guide naman. Kaya kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, save nyo lang ang video namin. Char. Please like and subscribe to Mang Kim. Ay, Mang Kim? Save your energy. Yeah, that's the right word. Save your energy. Kung wala kang energy, huwag ka nang tumuloy dito kasi takot ka sa gubat. Yun na lang. Huwag na lang. Better safe than sorry. Then, we're gonna go turn to the right. Ito yung sinasabing maputik. Pero nilagyan ng ganito. Galing, 'di ba? 8 minutes na. Wait lang. Okay, close. Huwag kang pumunta. So, close yan. Restriction. Restrictioning. Restricted. Si Luvic, pinang-out niya yung mga pine tree dito. Malilit daw. Bonsai. Hindi na lumaki. Malapit na kami, guys.
Wow, laki din.
Yeah. Kita dyan nakasabay tatay. Buti na lang. Hirap talaga pala. Ang piyat. Eh, yan. Oh, look. Yung daan. Grabe. Okay. Si Kuya Ken nagtanggal na ng sombrero. Initan ng kalbo. Oh my gosh. Saan tayo aakyat dito? Dito. You hear that? Diyan na yung yung highlights eh. Yung debris niya. Yung ibang parts. Airplane. Imagine, ilang taon na dito to. Nandito pa. So, ano itong niya? Solid. Yan. Kita nyo? Hmm. Slow. Yung engine niya.
Wow.
Side siya din. Ilang taon na to? Buhay pa, right? Yung engine niya puntahan ko. Let's see if I can make it. It's okay. Wow. Imagine, ilang taon na dito. Ulit-ulit. Na-amaze lang ako. Amaze lang ako, guys. Nandiyan yung dulo niya. Titi, ha? Ilang taon na. Like, ito talaga nakakamiss eh. Yeah, marami pa dun sa silong. Wow. Say hi, Kuya Kim.
Oh God.
Alright. Imagine. I can't imagine. Nandun yung isang... Wow. Yung pang-apat na pasahero.
Oh, there's the engine. Oh, yeah. Done?
Think it's still works?
Probably. Start her up. Start her up.
It's a blue... What kind of bird is that? Bluebird. Blue siya, di bluebird. Hello, bluebird. Wanna come with us? Bye-bye, bluebird. Oh. So ngayon is free admission. Yan, and overnight. Kasi alam nilang anniversary namin. Char lang. Yan. Free ngayon. Anyway, tapos na kami. Mga Hagardo Bersouza. Si Kuya Kim. Marami na pumupunta. Kaya huwag kayong matakot.